Hey, what's going on, guys? It is 7 a.m. We're gonna hit up High Island, gonna chase some bull reds. That's the plan. Hopefully we're on the ferry right now, and usually what sucks about the ferry, it takes an hour to get there, so we're running a little bit late, but that's okay. But I'm with my boy Mark. What's up, Mark?
What's up, peeps?
I'm gonna take the kayaks out, man, so let's get at it. All right, first things first, we need to get some mullet, and Mark has volunteered to use his cast net to get some mullet for us. Otherwise we gotta be stopping by the bait shop. Oh, that's money. Good aim, brother.
Did he fall in?
No, he fell down.
Oh,
way to go, Nick. I'm out here for your enjoyment, your viewing. Oh, dang. See that?
wow. Good thing you don't play in the NBA. Alright guys, we have made it to our spot. It looks pretty good, man. Check it out. Surf is not too bad. Trying to get some bull reds. It's the time of the season. Got the kayak. Gonna head out that way. Got the mullet. Got the live mullet in the Yeti. Check it out. Look at that. Oh crap. And we are trying to go catch some bull reds. Alright fellas, we're gonna venture out to the great unknown. Out there. Probably about a good 500 yards. See if we can catch some bull reds. That's the plan today. All right, here we go, boys. Off to the
Races.
yes, off to the races. The big blue. So we got about what, 1 foot swells. But I think it'll smoothen up when we get up there. We're probably right at the second sandbar, judging by the swells. Yep, 4 feet, yep, that's got to be the second sandbar. Yeah, we just passed it.
Wow, and it's almost money too. The depth and everything. So this is where I started my drift, right in between these two X's right here, and the winds were coming out of the east too, and they were pushing me towards the southwest.
Okay.
Yeah, we're at 14 feet, Nick.
All right, you want to start right here?
I don't see any marks yet. Oh, we can drift, and we can see if there's going to be anything.
Yeah.
Give you a mullet. Yeah, you don't have to go very far off the beach, everybody, to enjoy this style of fishing.
It's not that far at all.
Yeah, it's not far.
What, 500 yards max?
There is safety in numbers. In case Nick sticks his hand inside a shark's mouth,
I see a lot of bait
I'll
right
be there
here.
to laugh at him.
You see those marks?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, you must have the bait finder. I have the fish finder. Alright, let me get you a mullet, bro.
Yeah, I'm fishing for a large mullet, bull mullets. That's the plan today, bull mullets. All right, fish, come on, man. Before the storm comes, please.
Sure you have bait?
I think.
You got bait on?
I think so. I'm just trolling a weight.
Get a bite.
Yeah, it's just very very weird. I haven't gotten hit. I mean, I feel my mullet moving.
Okay, so you got bait.
I mean, like right now, I feel it moving. Well, I guess let's check. Doesn't hurt to check. Oh, I guess not. Okay, that would make a lot of sense.
So Nick was like, I feel my bait.
Shut up. Shut up. Maybe I did get hit by something. And we are back, folks. We are back. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god, I just put my pole up and you're going all crazy. How to replace my, yeah, it's something, it's a gaff top. Dang it, gaff top. Gaff top. Gaff top, baby. Well, at least it's a better size gaff top. Double gaff tops. It was so funny, I was changing my battery and I got hit. This guy got some muscle. Oh, it's a red. Dude, it's a red. I got red. I got red. Oh my god. I thought it was a gaff top. Dude's a good red.
Nick has got him a red.
Finally. Woohoo!
Way to go, bro.
Thank you.
I'm seeing some big marks.
They might be here now. Look at that. Look at his red.
I see the big mark underneath me. Oh,
Dude, hurry up and throw it, man.
I'm trying.
It was weird, dude. I was just changing my battery and all of a sudden it goes zzz, 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 and I hear something breaking. It got caught in my other rod.
All right. Nick has got a red on. We gotta hurry up.
All right, look at this, guys. First red. Finally, I just hope I don't lose them. Hope my knots are tied correctly because I just went to MDLR to look at knots. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
Let me get out your way. Oh my god. Reverse.
I was like, this is a big gaff top. Yeah, this is a nice size red. He's probably about 30, probably maybe low 30s, I'm thinking. He got some muscle, man. All right, 13 Fishing Prototype TX, putting it to work in the salt with the bull red.
Put that out there. Some better stuff.
Beautiful looking red, man. Look at that. Ah, that's a beautiful looking red. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, that's a big red. I'm using light, pretty much light tackle. Woo! This guy's hurting my wrists. It's breaking my wrists, man. It's a beautiful looking red too. Really copper red, copper gold, copper red, whatever you want to call it. He is fighting like a boss. All right, I'm just going to tire him out. Caught him in about 11 feet of water, bro. Woo, they got some strength, man. Yeah, that's a big red. Woo, beautiful red. Oh. I think he's done. I think he's done. Oh, come on, brother. Come on board, brother. Come on board, brother. Come on board, brother. Come on board, brother. I got you. I got you. I got you. I don't got you. Oh, whoo. Dang, look at that hook set right in the side of its mouth. All right, brother, I got you. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. Well, I don't got you. I'm trying to get... My left hand's like useless. Gotcha. Got him. Got him. Oh. Whoo. Yeah, baby. First bull red at High Island. Oh, man. Check out this bad boy right here. Oh, wow. That's a bull red. Oh, my God. Woo-hoo. Wow. He's big. She a big girl. She a big girl. Gosh, man, she won't even fit on my I just want to see how big she is. I know she bigger than 36 inches. She gotta be, man. She gotta be. This thing goes out to, yeah, 36 inches. Let's see how big this bad boy is here, or how big she is. Like, so heavy I can't even hold her up. Oh my God. All right. Yeah, she's probably, yeah, right at 37. Yeah, I would say 37 inches. 37-inch bull red. Woo! 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 All right. Wow. 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 All right. Let's get her some air. Use my right hand. 37-inch bull red, guys. 37-inch bull red. First bull red of High Island. Thank you for the fight, my girl. Thank you for the fight. There she goes. Big girl. Be it for today. Managed one gap top. I wish. Managed one nice bull red. Hooked up with a bunch of gap tops. It would have been a phenomenal day if we're doing catfish fry, but we weren't doing that. But very happy I caught one redfish, one bull red. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for me. And I'll just catch you guys next time.